Hi there, Andrew Reed here, Canadian Financial Journey. Let's go ahead and take a look at some important days coming up from mid-October to mid-November. Starting on October 12th, we have the Federal Reserve minutes. So this is where they come out and spread fear in the market and talk about how they're going to continue to hike interest rates. So that'll be tomorrow, actually. So get ready for that, October 12th. October 13th, we will have the latest CPI, so we can see how much out of control inflation continues since the interest rate hikes aren't working. October 14th is retail sales, not that important. Then October 20th, we'll start looking at some of jobless claims in the Philadelphia Fed Index, which will give us some insight into what other subsets of the economy are being affected by these attacks by the Fed, lowering the markets on a whole. What kind of damage is being done? We'll find that out there. New home inventories on the 26th. These make a little bit of impact on the stock market, but mostly these come and go. But what these will really show us is, really the amount of damage that is being done to investors, especially new investors, anybody other than the already very wealthy. 28th, we have the personal spending report and employment cost index. So we'll get to take a look again at those subsets. And then starting in the first week of November, we'll get jobless claims on the 3rd. So that is what the Fed has said they are looking for, those jobless claims. That's what they really want to bring down is, or bring up is the number of unemployed people. Okay, fair enough. November 4th, we'll get that actual unemployment rate. And then moving into the week of November 7th through 11th, on the 10th, I think that's the biggest date and the last date that we're going to go over today. We're going to have the CPI in November. So if at this point inflation isn't starting to trend down considerably, then we're in for many, many years for sure. If we see a major impact and we see impact to other economic subsets like housing and things like that, we might actually see a Fed U-turn in either late 2022 or early 2023. It's quite possible. To say that they're going to push it down to 2% is really quite dreamy. I'm hoping they won't hold to that. One of the factors that could push back against that is politics, with midterm elections coming up and then a full presidential election coming up in the United States. They don't really want the economy in the gutter for that. Stock market as at its lowest in decades. I mean, this looks really bad. It's going to be hard for Biden to get reelected. So I think he may push here. It's just as simple as a Fed U-turn, turns everything around. If he times it right, it could have a very positive political impact on Biden. And that may be what he's doing. A little bit of pain at first, and then we thank him for churning everything around. Sounds like the kind of strategy he would use. So anyways, that's a little bit of ranting, and those are the important dates for October through November 15th. If you found this video at all useful, please destroy that like button, check out these other videos, and subscribe. May the market force be with you.